Hello, hello everybody. My name is Abdulrahman from Owensville Studio, and today I will be designing a diamond in Adobe Illustrator. So, now this is the diamond design that I just done. Now I'm just going to show you how I just done it. So first select the pen tool and write a line above the diamond. And select the pen and write a line above the diamond. Then select the pen tool again. Just write a line across the diamond. And select the pen tool one more time. And write another line across the diamond. And again. Just make sure the line is straight. Select the pen tool. And write a line. And then select the pen tool again. And do the same for the other side. And select the pen tool. Write a line in the middle of the diamond. Just make sure they're all straight. Take that. Just select the pen tool. Write another line. And do the same for the other side. and then select the pen tool, make another line, cross there. Just make sure they're all straight. Select the pen tool, do the same for the other side. Okay. Select the pen tool, make a line at the top of the diamond. And for the other side, and select the pen tool, make another line at the beginning of the diamond. And the same for the other side. Straighten it. Then select the diamond, just drag it away. Oopsie. Just take it away. Now that you have your lines, just select your lines, and select the shape builder tool. Just drag build a shape, and then just drag your line to build that shape, and that shape, that one, that one. Whereas for these ones at the top, you'll just have to click on them. Okay. Can't see our shapes yet because they are outlines, but if you select the eyedropper tool and just select on that shade of the diamond, there you go. And then just do it for every other shape. Just keep on selecting the shape and changing it to the color. see. Don't think I cut that out. Let me just do that. Select the shape builder, just click. There, there. Then you can just delete them. And then here is your illustration. There's lots of things you can do with this illustration. You can also change the color of the illustration. For instance, here I have a blue one and a yellow one. You can do that. You can make a red one. Any color you want your diamond to be, you can just put in that color. Now, like this video, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to be notified for more videos.